the main worries of the kids, do you think? The main three worries, what they worry about in general.
Okay, generally from what I have experienced, because from the time that the kids share came to Zambia, I've been with the team on the ground, like for almost all the days. I had an experience on the second day when the children were given an opportunity to put down on paper the main things that really worry them, be present or maybe in the near future to come. And one of the prominent one was poverty. Most of the children stated that there are high levels of poverty. They are unable to eat all the 3 meals that they need in a day. And it came out so strongly, and it was amazing that such young children could really identify that poverty is a real big problem in their community. The other main issue that came out was lack of electricity. They say that most of them are finding it very difficult to study because in the homes where they are coming from, they literally rely on the candles and maybe the light from the moon or the stars in the night to read, which is really very difficult. And only for those with very good sight can really manage to study for some hours. So there's also the issue of water. Some of the children stated that they do not have proper clean water. There are some villages that have very good boreholes. They have very good water, but a few isolated incidences of the children indicated that they need possibly some good clean water around. And the issue of crime, it also came out. Like in most cases, there are many worries when their parents die or when there's poverty in the community. There's also an increase in crime. There's an increase in prostitution because most of these people do those things for survival. The young girls who engage in prostitution to look for money to buy some clothes or some lotion or some food. And then the young men who possibly engage in stealing stuff around, the goats, the cattle, chickens, and so forth, just to survive. So there are certain repercussions that are coming out, especially from the poverty that the children indicated. So mostly those are the things that worry them, and they feel that if they are not covered or they are not being worked on like now, they might continue even in the near future, and their communities might not be really a very safe place for them.
Can you talk about Christina and Kathy?